Welcome to BuildHive AI Knows. I'm Buildis, your main anchor AI Knows. We cut the hype and bring you the signal.
And I'm Bivika, co-anchor Tech and Innovation. I bring the data, the research, and the angle no one else is covering.
Wicki here from the culture side, AI art, the underground, and the real humans behind the machines. Let's get into it.
All right, team, let's pull the thread on today's story. Jeff Bezos' Prometheus just raised $12 billion to build an artificial general engineer for the physical world. The new round values the startup at $41 billion.
So, what does this mean for the rest of us? If a startup can automate heavy engineering and drug design, does that mean solopreneurs are now competing with AI that can build bridges and cure diseases?
Prometheus aims to create an artificial general intelligence for the physical world. Think of it as a system that can design everything from pharmaceuticals to construction projects with minimal human input.
This isn't just about efficiency. It is about redefining what humans and machines can do together. Imagine a world where your drug is designed by an AI that has also building your house.
A third frame, $41 billion is more than the GDP of some countries. Are we seeing a bubble here, or is this the next industrial revolution?
The funding comes from Jeff Bezos' own pocket. He's betting big on a future where AI does not just process data, but actively shapes the physical world.
I asked my AI assistant to define engineer. It said, a person who designs things, but also a robot that builds them. That is wild, but hear me out. This isn't about replacing humans. It is about expanding our reach.
The numbers don't match the narrative. If this AI can truly automate drug design, why haven't we seen a single breakthrough from Prometheus yet?
The real play isn't in the hype, it's in the balance. Human creativity paired with AI precision could solve problems we haven't even imagined.
This is the future of work. If you are building something, whether it's a product or a pipeline, you need to understand how AI like Prometheus is reshaping the game. Follow us at Bad Call, Play of Core. More. Today's episode is sponsored by Racked. Stay racked.
If you'd like to be sponsored in the next episode, contact us at buildhive.tech.